Individual teacher efficacy is the belief in one's ability to affect students positively. When we're presented with a new teaching task, we ask ourselves, will I be successful? This triggers a script inside our brains in which we ask, do I have the training, the knowledge, the skills, the experience, the beliefs, the emotional readiness to be successful? Do my students have the ability and motivation to be successful? Do I have the materials and facilities to be successful? My answers to these questions will depend on 4 sources of information. The first is mastery experience, meaning, hey, I've done this before, so of course I can do it again. The second is vicarious experience. Hey, other people have done it before, so maybe I can too. The third is social persuasion. This might come from a professional learning I've attended or a TED Talk I've watched. I might say to myself, they think I can do it. It's possible. Lastly is one's affective state or emotional readiness. If you are feeling positive and optimistic, you might say, I'm not afraid. I'm ready to try this. Once I've had success, this will feed into my answer to the question of, will I be successful? And it will elicit efficacious behaviors. I accept challenges. I put in the effort. I persist. I am resilient. Let's consider collective efficacy now. Collective teacher efficacy is one of the strategies most highly correlated with student achievement. So let's take a closer look. When all of the people on my team or in my school are presented with this teaching task or challenge, now we are drawing on our collective mastery experience. We've done this before. We also draw on our collective vicarious experience. People in our building have done this before, so we know it's possible. We also draw on our collective social persuasion. We know a lot about this research from X, Y, and Z. We also depend on our collective affective states. We feel confident. We have what it takes to positively affect students. We are ready. Let's do this. As we move iteratively through this process and have success after success, when we ask, will we be successful, we are able to tick the boxes much more easily because we've had mastery experience, we've had vicarious experiences, we've had social persuasion. We are emotionally ready. We know there's no challenge that's going to come our way that we can't solve and no student we cannot teach.